Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows without losing any data. First, you have to come over into your start icon, click on the right pause button and then click on set. After coming on settings, you can simply find out system at the left side, click on that. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you will find recovery option over here. So if you click on it, and then here you will find the recovery option and the reset this PC option over here. So now if you click on reset PC, here you can see there is two options called keep my file or remove everything. If you click on keep my file, and then there will be a two option. Would you go for cloud download or local reinstall? So as you can see, I'm going to go for the cloud download. So here you need to click on next and the reset will be done. After that, it will be a restart. So this is how we can simply restart your PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.